Hello students, we have started fourth unit from your Flamingo book and I have sent you three lectures of the same unit and today here I am sending you the fourth lecture of it. In our last lecture we had seen that the owner of the Ramsco iron mill had come for her daily gradual visit and he had seen our red trap sailor. And he misunderstood that he was his best friend, and his name was, he believed that he was Neil Olof. Our red trap seller knew that he was not Neil Olof, but he was a greedy man and he had a greed for law, for money, and that's why he expected that though this great person thinks that I have some old acquaintance with him, then he would give me some kronors and then there is nothing in it. So he didn't say anything and he didn't reveal the truth. And he said that, yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me. मैं थोड़ा डाउनहिल हो गया था. Things were not fair with me and I was not well. Yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me, he said. You should not have resigned from the regiment. Then Ironmaster advised him that you should not have resigned from the regiment. So this is a direct speech sentence. If we want to make it indirect, we should say like this: the ironmaster advised him that he should not have resigned from the regiment. That was the mistake. If only I had still been in the service at the time, it would have never happened. अगर मैं उस वक्त मेरी सर्विस में मेरी जॉब चालू होती तो it would never have happened or it never would have happened. तो ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता. ये बहुत ही important sentences है. Grammatically also see the sentence formation. It never would have happened. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. Well, now of course you will come home with me. So he is commanding. It was a friendly command, but yet he is commanding him that you will come home with me. आप मेरे साथ मेरे घर पे आ रहे हो. अब वो पकड़ा गया. अब वो सोचने लगा कि क्यों मैंने ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि मैं नील ओलोफ ही हूं. उसी टाइम मुझे बोल देना चाहिए था कि भाई आप जो समझते हो वो मैं नहीं हूं. लेकिन उसको पैसे की लालच थी. He had the greed of money and that's why he did not reveal the truth and he continued it with Neil Olof and now he is in problem. अब वो प्रॉब्लम में आ गया कि उसने बोला, आयन मास्टर ने बोला आपको मेरे घर आना पड़ेगा. To go along up to the manor house and be received by the owner like the old regimental comrade, that however did not please the tramp. दोनों खतरे की घंटी बज गई. क्या खतरा था? इतना बड़ा घर. Manor, it means a big, very big, giant, gorgeous. इतने बड़े घर में जाना और वहां भी उसकी आगता स्वागता कैसे होगी? To be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. Comrade, it means fellow soldier. सोल्जर के साथ जो होता है, उस जो फेलो सोल्जर्स होता है उसे वे लोग मिलिट्री की लैंग्वेज में उसे कॉमरेड बोलते हैं, आपको पता है. तो वो रेजिमेंटल कॉमरेड के होद्दे से जाना however did not please the tramp. Tramp is, it is the meaning, please get the meaning of it, a person who travels here and there, a person who travels, moves here and there aimlessly. कोई भी ध्येय, बिना ध्येय यहां वहां घूमने वाले पर्सन को क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रैम्प बोलते हैं. तो रेजिमेंटल कॉमरेड के हक से जाना इतने बड़े घर में, ये ट्रैम्प को अच्छा नहीं लगा. ट्रैम्प यानी वो जो अ पर्सन वो ट्रैवल्स हियर एंड देयर एमलेसली. He wanders here and there. He doesn't have any meaning of life. He is called tramp. No, I couldn't think of it. It is a sentence of direct speech. I couldn't think of it. Let's make it indirect. So the retrieve seller denied or refused the proposal and added that he couldn't think of it, looking quite alarmed. खतरे की घंटी, अलार्म क्लॉक उसके माइंड में बज गया था कि मैं इस बात के लिए सोच भी नहीं सकता, मैं आपके घर नहीं आ सकता. I couldn't think of it. It is an active voice. If we want to make it passive, we should do such changes. For example, it could not be thought of by me. ये अच्छे से सुन लेना. It couldn't be thought of by me. He thought of 30 kroner. अब उसने जो पाप किया है, गलत किया है, बुरा किया है, वो तो साथ में ही रहता है. उसको he thought of 30 kroner. उसको किसका विचार आया कि उसकी जेब में चुराए हुए 30 kroners थे. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. Sorry. So he thought of 30 kroner, and to go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. ये आयन मास्टर के साथ उसके घर में जाना इस चीज को किस बात से कंपेयर करता है वो रेट्रेप सेलर कि अपने आप खुशी खुशी लायन के डैन में अपना मुंह डाल देना जितना खतरनाक होता है उतना ही खतरनाक आयन मास्टर के घर पे जाना उसके लिए इसने कंपैरिजन किया है. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away inconspicuously. Sneak away, it means भाग जाना, to disappear. And inconspicuously, it means invisibly. वो तो वहां पे सिर्फ he wanted to pass one night, एक ही रात वो वहां पे पास करना चाहता था. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously as possible. पॉजिटिव डिग्री है, जैसे भी इनविजिबली वो यहां से भाग सकते हैं वो भाग जाना चाहता था. The ironmaster assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. लेकिन ironmaster बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी था. उसको ऐसा लगा कि ये मेरा कॉमरेड मेरे साथ नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि उसने गंदे कपड़े पहने हैं तो वो एम्बेरेस फील कर रहा है. रियलिटी डिफरेंट है. क्या रियलिटी है? उसने दो झूठ बोले. पहले तो उसने ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि वो नील ओलफ है और उसने ये भी कह दिया मेरे साथ बातें कुछ ऐसी हो गई थी, मेरे हालात कुछ ऐसे हो गए थे तो मैं भाग गया. दूसरी क्या गलत बात उसके पास थी? 30 करोड़ रुपीस जो चुराए हुए थे क्रॉप्टर के वो उसकी जेब में थे. दो गलत चीजों के साथ वो जाना नहीं चाहता था और वहां से स्नीक अवे हो जाना चाहता था. लेकिन आयरन मास्टर वॉज अ वेरी काइंड हार्टेड मैन एंड ही थॉट दैट माई कॉमरेड इज ashamed of his dirty clothes. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there. आप ऐसा मत सोचो. It is an imperative sentence. Don't think. But requestfully imperison हो गया है. तो अगर हम इसका इनडायरेक्ट करते हैं तो ही रिक्वेस्टेड. डोंट का क्या करते हैं हम लोग? मैंने क्लास में आपको सिखाया है. डोंट का नॉट टू हो जाएगा. नॉट टू थिंक ऑफ दैट he had such a fine house. I का क्या कर देंगे अब इनडायरेक्ट करते वक्त? He had such a fine home and that he could not show himself there. ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? इनडायरेक्ट कर दिया. Now let me explain you the sentence. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there. आप ऐसा मत सोचो कि मेरा घर बहुत ही सुंदर है और आप वहां नहीं आ सकते. Elizabeth is dead. Elizabeth is the name of his wife. This minutest detail is very important for your MCQ. So please memorize it. Elizabeth is the name of Iron Master's wife. Elizabeth is dead, as you may have already heard. It may have been heard by you. ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? Passive कर दिया. You may already have heard. आपने शायद सुना होगा. My boys are abroad and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter and myself. मेरे दोनों बेटे एब्रोड है और मेरे दोनों बेटियों के माय ओल्डेस्ट डॉटर के अलावा मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है. We were just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for Christmas. And I and my eldest daughter, who live together, we were thinking that it is very painful that this time, at the time of Christmas, there is no one with us, there is no company with us, there is no guest in the house. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. तो उसने छोटी सी मजाक कर दी क्योंकि वो तो उसको अपना फ्रेंड मान रहा था. तो मेरे साथ चलो तुम और ये क्रिसमस का जो फूड हमने इतना सारा बनाया है उसको डिसअपियर करने में हमें हेल्प करो. जल्दी से मेरे घर आइए और हमें हेल्प कीजिए. But the stranger said no and again no, and the iron master saw that he must give in. उसने तो बार बार मना ही किया, नहीं मैं नहीं आऊंगा नहीं आऊंगा. अरे आप ऐसा मत सोचो कि आपके कपड़े गंदे हैं और मैं इतने बड़े घर में रहता हूं तो मेरे घर में और कोई नहीं है, मेरी वाइफ अब नहीं रही है, मेरे बच्चे बाहर पढ़ रहे हैं और मैं अपनी बड़ी बेटी के साथ रहता हूं. आप मेरे घर खुशी से आ सकते हो, लेकिन हमारा जो स्ट्रेंजर से क्यों नहीं आना चाहता है आपको तो अब पता है. तो विथ दोज टू रीजंस ही सेड नो एंड नो एंड नो. And now Iron Master thought that he must give in. उसे बात को छोड़ देनी चाहिए. It looks as though Captain Wonstell preferred to stay with you tonight.